welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Fall is finally here, and you know what that means. Time to switch up your wardrobe and embrace those cozy, layered outfits that are perfect for the cooler weather. Today, I am going to walk you through some must have fall outfits that are not only stylish but also comfortable and practical. Whether you are heading out for a casual day or looking to elevate your autumn style, these looks are perfect for any occasion. Let's dive right in. We are kicking things off with the classic fall staple, a chunky knit sweater paired with your favorite jeans. This look is timeless, comfortable, and effortlessly chic. Opt for an oversized sweater in neutral tones like beige, cream, or grey, and pair it with high waisted, skinny, or straight leg jeans. Finish the look with ankle boots or white sneakers for a casual vibe. If you want to add a little extra to the outfit, throw on a white brim hat and a cozy scarf. Fall is the perfect time to break out your leather jacket. It adds an edgy touch to any outfit while keeping you warm. Pair a black or brown leather jacket with a simple white tee and high waisted jeans for a laid back yet cool look. You can also switch up the bottom with a flowy midi skirt for a more feminine take. Complete the outfit with ankle boots or combat boots for that extra dose of style. Don't forget your aviator sunglasses for a bold finish. Turtlenecks are fall essentials and they pair beautifully with skirts for a chic, sophisticated outfit. Opt for a fitted turtleneck in classic fall color like burgundy, olive, or rust. Wear it with a plaid or pleated midi skirt for a look that's equal parts cozy and fashionable. Throw on a pair of knee-high boots to keep things warm and stylish. You can layer with a trench coat or a long cardigan for an extra cozy layer. Blazers are not just for the office, they are perfect for layering in the fall. Try an oversized plaid or neutral tone blazer over a simple tee or turtleneck and pair it with tailored trousers or skinny jeans. This look is great for both casual and semi-formal occasions. For shoes, you can go with loafers for a polished finish or ankle boots for a more laid-back vibe. Add a structured bag to complete the outfit and give it a sleek, sophisticated touch. If you're looking for an outfit that's both feminine and cozy, this one's for you. Pair a flowy floral dress with a long, chunky cardigan for that ultimate fall look. The key is to balance the lightness of the dress with the warmth of the cardigan. Add a pair of ankle boots or knee-high boots to keep your feet warm and stylish. A belt around the waist can help cinch the cardigan, give you more defined silhouette. Top of the look with a wide brim hat for that boho fall vibe. Sweater dresses are a fall favorite because they are the perfect mix of comfort and style. Opt for a loose, oversized sweater dress in a fall color like mustard, deep green, or burnt orange. Pair it with tights or go bare-legged depending on the weather. Add ankle boots to the mix for a polished look and don't forget to accessorize with a long necklace or a chunky scarf. You can also layer with a trench coat or leather jacket for added warmth and style. Fall is all about layering and a scarf is the perfect accessory to elevate any outfit. Start with a basic tee or long sleeved shirt, add a cozy knit cardigan or jacket and finish the look with a blanket, scarf in plaid or a solid fall hue. Pair this with distressed jeans or leggings for a casual comfy look. For shoes, go for slip-on sneakers, flats or ankle boots. The scarf not only keeps you warm but also adds a stylish touch to your outfit. A denim jacket is a versatile piece that works perfectly for fall. Layer it over a light sweater or long sleeve top and pair it with black jeans or leggings for a casual everyday look. Add ankle boots or combat boots to give the outfit a stylish edge. You can also throw on a beanie or a wide brimmed hat for a laid back cozy vibe. Denim jackets are great for those early fall days when it's chilly in the morning but warms up by the afternoon. Plaid is a fall staple, and there is nothing more classic than a plaid shirt paired with jeans. Opt for a soft flannel in traditional fall color like red, orange, or brown. Which outfit was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. And there you have it, guys, my favorite fall outfit ideas to keep you looking stylish and feeling cozy all season long. Thanks for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. Until next time, stay stylish and warm. Fall is the perfect time to play with layers, experiment with textures and knits and leather, and embrace those beautiful autumn colors. See you in the next video. Bye for now.